Good morning, dear children. In previous video, we were learning the lesson Nodi, the sleepy cat. Now we are going to learn the further lesson. We learn first paragraph of this lesson. Now see the further. One weekend, they visited Rahul's grandparents. One weekend means Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday these days are especially regarded as a time for leisure. On the Saturday and Sunday, Rahul's parents visited to Rahul's grandparents. Grandpa heard the problem and said, Nodi, my sleepy fat cat will solve the problem. This grandfather heard the problem. What is the problem? That Rahul kept playing till late in the night. This is the problem, and because of that he wakes up late in the morning. So this how to solve the problem? Solve means to solve means find a solution for this problem. Grandfather told them, Nodi, my sleepy fat cat will solve the problem. This is Nodi. Nodi is a name of a cat. And how is this cat? Very sleepy. Fat cat. The cat is very fat and sleepy. And this sleepy fat cat will solve the problem. This cat has a habit to sleep all the time. Eat and sleep. They loaded the cat onto the car and returned home. So his father, Rahul's father, took this cat with them. Loaded means what? Loaded means carry. Carry the fat cat along with them to their home. Nodi was a slow, fat cat. His belly was as round as a pot. You can see in this picture how much this cat is fat. This cat is very fat cat. And belly. Belly means stomach. And his stomach is like a pot, as round as pot. Means very big, like a pot. Most of the time, no one knew where he was. Most of the time means बऱ्याच वेळा नो वन न्यू मीन्स माहीत असणे कुणालाच माहीत नसे की ती कुठे आहे. द होल डे ही वूड ओनली ईट. होल डे मीन्स पूर्ण दिवसभर this cat keeps on eating and sleep in some corner of the house. This is the habit of this Nodi. Now you might have a question, how this sleepy cat will solve the problem of Rahul. What is the problem of Rahul? That he kept playing till late in the night. He do not sleep in right time, early at night. So this is the problem. But how this Nodi can solve the problem? Grandfather gave the solution. What is the solution? That this cat will solve the problem. Let's see how this cat solved the problem. Even that night, Rahul did not go to bed on time. Even that night means on that night when that cat came to their house, that night Rahul did not go to bed on time. Did not go to bed on time means he kept playing late at night. He was playing all kinds of games. Kinds means types. Various types of games he kept on playing. His parents waited to see if Nodi would do some magic. His parents means that's it. आई वडील what they were waiting. Waiting means वाट पाहत होते. That Nodi will do some magic. हे Nodi काहीतरी magic करेल. Magic means जादू. But nothing happened. But there is no effect. They were sad that grandpa's plan did not work. So this Rahul's parents were sad. They thought this cat will do some magic and his bad habit will go, but it did nothing. The plan did not works. Now see, hours later means काही तासानंतर Rahul went to his room to sleep. And what a surprise! What do you see in this picture? What a surprise! Nodi was in his bed. He occupied the whole bed and was snoring. Occupied means what? The meaning of occupied means the place or seat used by someone. Who used this place? Means this bed used by this cat. You know that cat is very fat and he occupied almost the bed and almost the whole bed and was snoring. Snoring means what? Snoring means making sound while sleeping. Ghorne in Marathi it said. Rahul could not sleep that night. Why he couldn't sleep? Because he had less space to sleep on the bed and the cat was creating sound, snoring sound. So he had only a tiny corner of his bed to lie down. Tiny corner means he had got little space to sleep on the bed. The same thing got repeated even on the second night. Repeated means again the same thing happened when he was Rahul kept on playing late at till night, and this cat came first and slept on his bed and started snoring. And Rahul didn't get a proper sleep that day also. On the third night, now two night passed. On first night and second night, Rahul couldn't get a space to sleep on a bed and couldn't sleep properly. Now the third night. On the third night, Rahul decided to get into bed even before Nodi did. Rahul decided. Decided means ठरवणे. What he decided? To get into bed even before Nodi. Before Nodi come and sleep, he decided to go first and sleep on the bed. Rahul shot into his room like a bullet. Like a bullet means shot means the firing of a gun is known as shot. How the bullet shot like that, he went into his room and dived into bed. Dived in means how do we dive in water? Fell into his bed. His parents could not believe it. Believe means Vishwas ठेवणे. His parents could not believe it. Why the parents could not believe? Because Rahul was sleeping late at night. But this time on the third night, Rahul came early before this cat will sleep. After eating, cat used to sleep. But before the cat would come in a bed, this Rahul came and slept on a bed. They knew nothing about Nodi in Rahul's bed. They knew nothing. Knew is a past tense of know. They knew nothing about Nodi in Rahul's bed. आता त्या राहुलच्या बेडवर नोडीचं काय झालं याबद्दल आईवडिलांना काहीच माहीत नव्हतं. They stayed up quite late that night, wondering about the magic. They stayed up quite late that night. Rahul slept, but his parents were stayed up quite late. Means उशिरा रात्रीपर्यंत ते विचार करत राहिले होते. कशाबद्दल? तर त्या मॅजिकबद्दल. वॉन्डरिंग मीन्स थिंकिंग. The parents were thinking, what was the magic? What the magic? Because of that, Rahul came quickly and slept early at that night. Can you guess where Nodi slept that night? Now, can you guess? तुम्ही सांगू शकाल का नोडी त्या रात्री कुठे झोपली असेल? In this way, grandpa's magic worked. And on the third night, Rahul slept early at night. So what is the learning point. Once again, let me remind you, early to bed, early to rise makes one healthy, wealthy and wise.